At a time where investors are very, very focused right now on the trajectory for economic growth as we go into the second half of this year, given everything that's going on with the Delta variant right now, the Fed, et cetera, what are you seeing in terms of those volumes and the type of freight that is moving on your railroad?
Yeah, we continue to see a U.S. economy that's really pretty strong, and it's across the board. In the housing sector, that looks pretty strong to us. We see that in lumber. We see it in other construction material like rock, cement. We see the steel industry and metals performing pretty well. Grain and grain products is much better than it was this time last year. Likewise, food and refrigerated, and just overall consumer demand in the form of international intermodal and domestic intermodal. So that, you know, out of measuring our top line in about 40 different sublines, all of them look pretty good, maybe with the exception of 3 or 4 or 5. It's a pretty good economy still.
You just mentioned intermodal. We've talked about for months now some of the gridlock around the ports, the fact that there are container shortages. What are you seeing in terms of that, and when do you expect that pain to ease?
Yeah, Morgan, the entire international intermodal supply chain is challenged, and it's been challenged for, call it 6 months or so, maybe a little longer. It started, if you recall, with ships holding out from the ports on the West Coast, and the West Coast having a hard time absorbing that demand. We stepped up and helped do our part. We put more resources towards the West Coast ports, and we helped move boxes off those ports and move them inland. And now what we're seeing at ramps like what we have in Chicago, the end customer is having a hard time taking all those boxes and getting them off the ramp and into the distribution centers and warehouses. So we're helping there as well. We've opened up additional capacity for those boxes to sit for a little bit longer. We're trying to help those beneficial cargo owners find ways to move the product to their warehouses. But it looks like it's going to be around for a little while.
Okay, but transitory nonetheless. Do you have enough workers?
We do. As a matter of fact, our workforce is solid. They're the ones that helped us generate this fantastic second quarter. We are doing a little hiring here and there, but what we said on our call this morning is we think our overall employment count is going to be about where it is right now, about 30,000 employees for the remainder of the year. And where we need to hire, we don't see any real problem finding those individuals. Plus, we still have a few employees that are on furlough, and we're getting about 70% of them return when we call them back.
Perfect segue to the question, sir. This is Scott, that I wanted to ask you. Jim Cramer was raving about you and your company earlier this morning. I'm not sure if you heard our conversation from earlier, but it was regarding your efforts to hire more women, which you have made it a priority. 5.5% of your total workforce right now. You want to double that by 2030. Can you give us an update on where things stand today?
Yeah, that's a great question, Scott. I'm so pleased you asked. We actually have a couple of different markers out when it comes to our diversity of our employment base. One is that we want to increase our female population by double to 11% by 2030. The other is we want to increase our minority and ethnic population up to 40% by about, I want to say 39%. So we've made progress year to date. We measure that every month internally. We talk about it and publish it externally every quarter. And we've made progress on both fronts. There's a lot of work there to be done. We've had to do the nut and bolt work of making sure our job descriptions aren't discriminatory in some way, whether it's gender or racial or ethnically. We have to look in different spots to fill our jobs. We have to do different things to make our jobs attractive to different people than they've been attractive to historically. We've got work on all fronts. It's a big deal for us. We fundamentally believe that a diverse, inclusive workforce is a stronger workforce, and it's what supports the kind of performance we saw in the second quarter.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.